1/4 of vegan cheese, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of nutmeg, and I'm going to add just a little mustard. Mustard. I'm going to finish cooking this off in the microwave because I'm going to add some soy milk to it. I drained off most of the water, but I do need some liquid in here, I think. Might be okay. Okay, I might have to warm it up in the microwave because I have to cook my oysters right now. Okay, I have marinated my oysters overnight, and this is what I used on the batter. Okay.